The American who knows Tagalog. Ang Amerikano marunong ng Tagalog. Ang Amerikano marunong ng Tagalog. Oh my goodness, I just guessed that. Wow, it's correct. Easy. Oh, how? Formal singular plural. Ang subject pronoun you. So, kayo. No, kayo is you guys. But it's cool. Easy. Ikaw si John. Ikaw ay si John. John ka. Ikaw si John. What is I then? Why I keep saying I? You. Ang subject pronoun, ikaw, ka, or you are the Filipino who lives here. Ikaw ay Pilipino nakatira dito. Ka ay ng Pilipino nakatira dito. Ikaw ay ng Pilipino nakatira dito. Ikaw yung Pilipinong nakatira dito. Pilipino ka. Easy. You are the Filipino who lives here. Ikaw yung Pilipino nakatira dito. Ikaw yung Pilipino nakatira dito. Easy. You're American. American ka? Uy, wow. Grabe naman. Easy. She is a student. Siya ay estudyante. Estudyante siya. What is the difference? Can somebody tell me in the comments? What is the difference between estudyante siya? Yeah.